Big Mac tacos brings together juicy minced meat, creamy tangy sauce, and a crispy tortilla base. And the best part, you can serve it two ways, fully loaded or as a fun taco bar. So we'll now start the preparation. We'll take 500 grams of minced meat in a bowl. Then add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 3 to 4 chopped green chilies, do not add paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, and 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Next, we will add its spices. 1 heaped teaspoon red chili powder, 1 heaped teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and a quarter teaspoon dried fenugreek leaf. Add fresh coriander as needed. Now mix it properly until everything is well combined. After thorough mixing, we refrigerate this to marinate for 15 minutes, making taco sauce. Now we'll make the Big Mac taco sauce. We'll add these ingredients: 3/4 cup mayonnaise, half tablespoon mustard sauce. Then we'll add its spices.
1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and half teaspoon salt.
Next, we'll add 3 tablespoons finely chopped jalapeno, 1.5 teaspoons vinegar, and 2 tablespoons water. Then mix it thoroughly. You can add ketchup, but it is optional. Our Big Mac taco sauce is ready. Now refrigerate it for later use. Preparing Big Mac taco. Now we'll start preparing the tacos. We'll take a small-sized tortilla, brush it lightly with water or spray it with a water spray. We're doing this step so that the minced meat sticks to the tortilla. Now we'll add the minced meat to the taco. Spread it as thinly and evenly as possible over the tortilla. Then scrape off any excess minced meat. Now we'll cook them. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan. If you like them crispy, cook on medium flame. And if you prefer less crispiness, use low flame. Slightly press over the tortilla. It will cook in 3 to 4 minutes. Since we applied a very thin layer of minced meat, slowly flip the taco over and cook the tortilla till it is crispy.
Then we'll place a burger cheese slice on top
And cover it so the cheese melts over it. Now we'll spread the sauce over the melted cheese that we made earlier. Top with thinly sliced vinegar-dipped onions and jalapenos. Slowly fold the tortilla in half. Our taco is ready. Finally, add your favorite toppings like ketchup or anything else you love. You can also serve it with iceberg lettuce. If you don't have a taco holder, flip a muffin tray upside down and use its grooves to hold the tacos in shape. This is a useful hack you can try. Once the taco is cooked, add your favorite ingredients, veggies, and sauces along with the cheese. Shape it into a taco, then serve hot on a platter with your choice of sauces, salsa, and Big Mac sauce. Now I will break it open for you to see. Crispy on the outside and soft and juicy on the inside. Enjoy it with your favorite sauce. Let's present it. Set all toppings aside on the table. Cook the minced meat with tortillas into taco shape. Serve these with and without cheese. Then let everyone add their favorite toppings and enjoy. Add your preferred veggies like chopped onions, tomatoes, jalapenos. Use taco sauce to taste. Sweet corn if you like some sweetness, and cucumber. Mustard sauce is essential as it elevates the flavor. Add salsa for mild spice, half tablespoon coleslaw, 4 drops of hot sauce for extra heat, and a few drops of lemon juice. And enjoy. You can see the tortilla flakes are falling on my hand. This shows that the outer crust is crispy and the inner crust is juicy and soft. And there you go, Big Mac tacos, done 2 ways. Crispy, saucy, juicy, everything you want in a fun, satisfying meal. Trust me, once you try them, you will want to make them again and again. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more creative recipes.